So we just unpacked our vehicle from one of our expedition trips, and now we're going to try to remove pet hair that's accumulated in the vehicle. And we're going to try a couple different methods, and we'll see how it goes.
Traveling, one of the things that's kind of a pain if you bring your pets with you is the dog hair or cat or whatever animal that you have with you gets in your vehicle. Which if you have them in your vehicle all the time, you're just gonna have to live with the hair. But today we're gonna try to get rid of this hair. So we've decided we're gonna try to use the shop vac to start with, and then if that don't work, try doing the brush. Unfortunately, that's not really getting much of the hair up, so we'll try the brush. It's still not getting a whole lot of the hair up. So we're gonna go to Dollar General and see what we can get in the way of like a lint remover or a hair remover or something.
So we have one here, a lint remover or lint roller, and it's $4. So let's see what else we can find around here. Oh, here's another one. This one is $6, and it specifically says for pet hair, but it's the exact same product. So just because it says pet, they can charge more. And here we have another one. This one is $2.50, and this is at the same store. Now we found one for $1. I think we're going to go with this one. There's less sheets, but we're not going to use very many. And we're kind of cheap like that. So here we go.
So we're back from Dollar General and we got the lint remover. So we're going to try that on the carpet and see if we can get some of this dog hair up. All right, so let's see if this will work or not. So it's got 40 sheets on this one that we picked up for $1. You just, once you get the sheet full, you just twist it off and start again. It's doing a real good job on the seat cover. It's starting to pull some of the hair out pretty good. These lint sheets don't last very long, so we'll probably go through them pretty fast.
So the lint roller worked really good about getting the loose ones up.
The dog hair on the seat cover, if you can see it, is quite a bit of it everywhere. But this roller seems to work pretty good on it.
The best way with the vacuum that I found is to not use an attachment and just go back and forth and up and down in the same spot, because it seems like the hairs are embedded. So you kind of have to loosen them up and then suck them up.
Between the lint roller and the shop vac, we got most of the hair out in it. But my recommendation was, if you're gonna keep a dog, either learn to live with the hair or get leather or vinyl.
Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe. And in memory of a great game show host, be sure to have your pet spayed or neutered.